Welcome back. I am Gilbert Peter again. So now, today we're going to see the next unit, which is about parts of the body. Sehemu za mwili. Sehemu za mwili. Parts of the body. So now we are going to see parts of the body in Kiswahili. For example, we have to start with the upper parts. For example, in the head, kichwa. We're going to see parts of the head, kichwa. Kichwa, head. In the head, we have hairs, nywele. Repeat, nywele. 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 After nywele, we have face, uso. Uso. Face, uso. 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 Also now we have forehead. Paji la uso. Forehead. Paji la uso. Uso. Paji la uso. Pia, also we have eyes, macho, macho. If it is only one eye, we say jicho, 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 one eye. Two eyes, you have to say macho. Also we have sikio, sikio, sikio. So if you have two ears, you have to say masikio, sikio, masikio. Sikio, masikio. Also, we have pua. Repeat, pua. Pua, nose. Pua, pua. Also we have lips. Mdomo mmoja, mdomo. Lip. Two lips, you have to say midomo. Mdomo, one lip. Two lips, midomo. Midomo. After looking mdomo or midomo, lips, now we are talking about mashavu, cheeks, mashavu. So if you have only one cheek, you have to say cheek, but we have two cheeks, mashavu. Mashavu. After that, we are going to see, how do we say chin? Chin. We have to say kidevu. 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 After kidevu, tuna kinywa. Kinywa. Mouth. Kinywa. Kinywa. Also we have meno. Meno. Teeth. meno. Meno, teeth. But if you have only one tooth, you have to say jino. Meno, teeth. Jino, tooth. Meno, jino. Now, after kidevu, now we are talking about shingo. Shingo, neck. Shingo. 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 Also we have mabega. 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 So now, bega, singular. Only one shoulder. Bega. Bega, singular. One. Mabega, plural. Two shoulders. Mabega. Mabega. After mabega, also we have mkono. Mkono. Mkono, singular, mkono. Plural, mikono. Mkono, singular, plural, mikono. Mikono, plural, mkono, singular. Kiwiko. 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 Only one, singular, kiwiko. Viwiko. Plural, viwiko. Kiganja. Kiganja. Kiganja, singular, one. Kiganja. Kiganja. Viganja. Viganja. Viganja, plural. Kiganja. Viganja. Also we have kidole. Kidole. Kidole, singular. Kidole, singular. Singular, kidole. Only one finger. Many fingers or 10 fingers, more than one finger, we have to say vidole. Kidole, singular. Vidole, plural. Vidole. Kidole, kimoja. Vidole, vingi. Also we have kifua. 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 Chest. Kifua. 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 Also we have tumbo. Stomach. Tumbo. 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 Also we have back. Mgongo. 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 Pia tuna paja. 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 Thigh. Only one. Thigh. Two thighs. Paja. Mapaja. thigh, only 1, 2 thighs. Baada ya hapo tuna goat, ni goat, moja. Magot, plural. Goat, singular. Magot, knees. Goat, goat, magot. Pia tuna mguu, leg, mguu moja, singular. Plural, legs, miguu. Mguu, singular, miguu, plural. Pia tuna unyayo, wa mguu, unyayo. The last, ya mwisho, tuna vidole vya miguu, toes, vidole vya miguu. Kidole cha mguu, singular, vidole vya miguu, vidole vya miguu. Hivyo basi, kwa mfano nikisema, once I say kichwa, then you have to touch. Kichwa, tumbo, mkono, vidole, mgongo. Okay, vizuri sana. Thank you. Welcome again in the next unit, which will be unit 8. But for now, we are ending here. Asante sana.